Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. I'm Alia Tashni. I'm from the famous English Language Center, Bangladesh. Our batch number is PT144 and this is my partner.
Hello everybody, it's me Kashfi Alvi Isra, basic from the famous and well-known English Language Center, Bangladesh. I'm from the batch PT144.
Today we are going to do a dialogue on Eid al-Fitr. So let's begin.
Hi Alia.
Hi Isra, how are you?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm fine. Can I ask you some questions?
Of course, why not?
What do we do on Eid al-Fitr day?
On Eid al-Fitr day, we wake up early in the morning, wear new clothes and perform Eid prayer. What is Eid al-Fitr?
Eid al-Fitr is a special and joyful day for all the Muslims to celebrate. Can you tell me what do we eat on this day?
On this day, we eat various delicious food. For example, paish, pulao, biryani, then sweets, etc. Do you go to your friend's house on this day?
Yes, we go to each other's house on this day. We also go to our friends and family's houses. What do children get on this day?
On this day, children get Eid salami and also some presents. What do you perform Eid prayer?
Yes, we perform Eid prayer. Do you like to wear new clothes on this day?
Yes, I like to wear new clothes with some accessories. Do you wake up early in the morning?
Yes, on this day we wake up early in the morning because we are so happy. Can you tell me what do children receive Eid salami?
Yeah, the children receive Eid salami from the elders. Is it a special day?
Yes, it is a special day for all the Muslims. Can you tell me what is the greeting we call on this day?
Can you tell me again?
What is the greeting we tell each other on this day?
The greeting we tell to each other on this day is Eid Mubarak. Does everybody participate equally?
Yes, everybody participates equally on this day. And that's all about question.
Thank you for answering my questions.
I had a great conversation with you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you everybody for listening to us and happy Eid Mubarak in advance. Bye-bye.